Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money as an influencer. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Social media influencers are some of the most popular people on the internet. And if you want to join their ranks, this guide is for you. We'll show you how to find your niche, grow your following, and make money as an influencer. So let's get started. First, let's define what an influencer is. An influencer is somebody who has the power to affect the purchasing decisions of others. Because of their authority, knowledge, position or relationship with their audience. Brands often partner with influencers to promote their products or services to a wider audience. There are numerous benefits of becoming an influencer, such as the ability to make a great income, the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, the freedom to choose your own hours and work schedule, and the ability to receive free stuff from brands. To become an influencer, you need to first find your niche. You need to ask yourself what you're passionate about and what you can share with others that will add value to their lives. Once you know your niche, you can start creating content around it. To grow your following, you need to consistently create quality content and promote it across social media and other channels. The key to growing your following is consistency. To make money as an influencer, you can use strategies like sponsored content, affiliate marketing, merchandise, and consulting. It's important to be authentic, focus on quality, be professional and network with other influencers. The benefits of making money as an influencer include flexibility, being your own boss, and the ability to make a difference in people's lives. Thanks for watching our video on how to make money as an influencer. We hope you found this information helpful and that you're ready to start your journey as an influencer. Remember to find your niche, grow your following, and monetize your influence. Don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.